think we might have a mouse problem. Maybe. Yeah, I think we have a mouse problem. Only found one dead one, but there obviously was some live ones in here. Got damaged wires there, damaged wires there, and there's probably going to be some more I haven't found yet, so we got to keep after it. That's the headliner, both sides. There's the switch. They peed all over the switches. I got one that's harness is totally burned out. Well, that's what mouse pee does to electrical circuits. Ruined that one. We got a tab broke off in that one. I'll have to do a little further investigation, but definitely did some damage up here. Well, the $650 cab wiring harness is not available. I've got about 7 wires on this side to fix. I have one there. I got to replace this connector and those wires, and 3 there. Should be able to get her done. Oh. Now I could tape this wire here, but it's got green weenie. That means corrosion has traveled up inside the insulation, so that's going to have to be cut out. Normally I would just tape that one. Well, there's my wire repair kits. I did have to order a new connector. I didn't have one of those. This one's pretty bad. Bolted her up. So I got my spliced wires in there. Gonna go ahead and get those soldered and heat shrinked into the cab harness. Okay, so we've got the wiring repaired. There's about 9 different splices I had to make, and 1 new connector. And over here we got that one all fixed. I think it would actually have been less expensive to put a new harness in. Unfortunately, there was none available at the time, and he needed to plow snow. We're going to try this stuff in the headliner, and then on the ends of the headliner, where they have an area to get in, all 4 corners here, we're going to try some steel wool, and maybe we can keep those critters out. So we will see.